Hey guys, in this video we are going to be looking at YouTube video meta tags. So in this lesson we'll look at what are video meta tags and what you should include in your meta tags on your videos. Video meta tags are basically a way for you to classify the content of your video for YouTube's algorithm. So meta tags are not visible for regular viewers, so you'll need an extension like the TubeBuddy extension or vidIQ's extension in order to see any tags in a video that you don't own. So these tags are just a way for you to tell YouTube that people searching for these terms and people who are interested in these topics, you should then show this video to those people. Alright, so your video meta tags, you want to make sure that your main keywords are present in them. You want to use mid to long tail keywords in various variants. So if your video is on how to make pizza, if we take that example, and your title is how to make perfect pizza dough at home, you want to include that full long tail keyword and then a few variants that you can find in that title. So how to make pizza, how to make perfect pizza dough, make perfect pizza dough at home, etc. So you'll take your title here and then you'll look at what variants we can put in here. So pizza dough we could add there, pizza dough at home, pizza at home, how to make pizza at home, etc. Alright, so look for some mid to long tail keyword variants that people are searching for and then include those in your meta tags. Your most important tags you want to include first. So if your most important tag is how to make perfect pizza or how to make pizza dough, then you'll have that one first. How to make pizza would be a competitive term for a small channel. So you would rather include this more long tail keyword, how to make perfect pizza dough at home, because you'll have higher likelihood of ranking for this. So you'll place more emphasis on the keywords that you have a higher chance of ranking for. And if you do start ranking for these keywords and you start building momentum with that video, you can then rearrange these keywords by using one of the aforementioned free extensions. So the TubeBuddy or vidIQ free extension, you can rearrange your tags quite easily by just dragging them and dropping them around. Okay, so the tags that you use in your video, you want to make sure that they are naturally present in your video's description. So if your video description has how to make perfect pizza dough at home, you want to then talk about how to make the perfect pizza dough. And if you then have another tag on pizza recipe, you want to say something about this pizza recipe, you'll be able to make pizza in 30 minutes with this pizza recipe or something to that degree. So have it present in your video's description naturally. So your video meta tags can include up to 500 characters and you should use them all. So your meta tags provide you an opportunity to add more context to what your video is about and to tell YouTube where it should rank you. So you want to use as much of these characters as you can in order to tell YouTube who should be watching your videos. Make use of search terms and LSI keywords. So for example, if on our video titled about places to see in France, we could then use some LSI keywords relating around that, like things to see in France, what to do in France, tourist attraction in France, etc. So we're telling YouTube that this video is about things that people can see, visit, do, tourist attractions, holidays in France. We're giving some more context about what the video is about by including LSI keywords. Right, so another thing that you want to do is include a few head keywords to help classify your video and your channel. So whilst you might not rank for keywords if you're a small channel for France or Paris or pizza dough, by including these head keywords like recipe or cooking and that type of thing, by including 3, 4, 5 short head keywords into your video's meta tags and on your channel, and including these consistently through a number of videos, you're telling YouTube that your channel is about travel, it's about cooking, it's about recipes, it's about fitness, it's about photography, etc. So whatever your main niche is, if you can include some head keywords that are relevant to that specific video, and you can consistently include them in your videos and in your channel tags, you can then sort of classify your video and what other people then help YouTube suggest your content to people who may be interested in that type of videos. All right, so in summary, you want to classify what the contents of your video are by using video meta tags. You get 500 characters and you should use them all. TubeBuddy helps you find out what other videos meta tags are, but it can also help you with your meta tags by suggesting keywords, and it also shows you a live character count on how many of those 500 characters you have already used. So you can use the free TubeBuddy extension for that, and you want to make sure that you use mid to long tail keywords and LSI keywords throughout your meta tags, and make sure they're included in your description. That's it for this lesson. I will see you in the next one.